you on duty, Supervisor Deuce, while we make a couch? Gonna watch, make sure we do it right. Alright, what side are we on? This side now? What are you doing? Inspecting the work when we walk away? Is that how it goes, huh? I see how it works. Yeah. Poke and hope. Yeah.
Huh?
Or handiwork. Alright, let's flip it over and see if it resembles a chair or not. Is it a chair? Oh, that looks like a chair to me.
I mean, it might be expanded while we were just leaning on it. Is it coming down?
Come here, Deuce. She says, I see some napping going on without me. Get up here.
Come back.
Get up here.
Come on.
Hi, what do you think? What do you think of the bed? Very nice or what? Yeah?
Come here. Come here.
What do you think? Dog approved? Yeah?
This is pretty cool.
Alright, couch 2.0. Still cool, still does the flippy things. Oh, a little tighter for this one, that's why we like it. Little snug. Grab this one. Get the mats. Flyaways. One more. Alright, in.
It's a perfect fit.
Alright, well I didn't make a ladder yet, so you just gotta climb up however you can. You can use the counter. See if you can get in there. How about you?
Oh yeah, that's good.
You guys fit up there?
Yeah.
Secure everything. Get you a ladder.
I wouldn't need a ladder. Maybe just steps. He's gonna steps and we'll get up here. You guys don't.
Oh, we don't really fit up there.
I don't even think you guys could fit up here, to be honest. Yeah, I saw Dad find the LED strips. And this.
We ain't cool LED strips.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.